Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. This video is gonna be about Raket PH, so grab your pens. So here you can see that I have browser Raket PH and now I am opening their website. Simply click on their website and here you can see that their website has opened next to us. Here you can see different people that have joined this Raket PH. Here you can see all about them. Here you can see that Raket PH also worked with some famous companies. Here you can see the company's name. Now if you scroll down, then you can see here their buyer services, what their buyer services offer, and you can also become a buyer here if you want to. And you can also see the buy product here where you can buy this product from Raket PH. Here you can see all about their community. Now if we talk about how you can join this Raket PH, so here simply click on become a Raketer. When you will click on this become a Raketer, here you can make money by doing what you love. You can here sell, manage, and you can get paid. Here you can also see different feature about this website. Here you can see the instant chat feature here. Here you can see manage order feature. Here you can get new customers, discount codes. Now if we talk about pricing, here you have 10% transaction fee plus payment processing fee. Here you can get star by clicking on this get star option on the top. Here you can create an account with your Google ID or your email or with your LinkedIn ID. So here I'm choosing Google for creating account with this Raket PH. Here you can see that your 20% profile has been created. Now I will teach you remaining steps how you can create your profile fully. So the first step is writing about yourself. So here in about you have to write your name, your full name, and here you also have to attach 5 cover photo and your country, region, city, and all the detail about yourself. So now I will fill these forms to show you how you will do that. So here you have to write your name, full name, then description, and here add up to 5 roles. You can add here up to 5 roles. So here they have given you some options. You can select as many as from there up to 5, and after that here I'm selecting 2. Here you can see that you can also add more, and now you have to choose a country here. So I have chosen here my country. In headline you have to provide your professional info, what you do and what's your profession, and after that you can save and you can move. Now you can see that our 20% profile is gonna be created. Now let's move to service. Here you can see that I have already added one service. You can add that and you can delete that. For now I'm letting to show you how your page will look with no service added. This is how your page will be looking with no service added. For adding, simply click on add your service. Now here you can see different services. You can see here programming, tech, digital market, graphic and designing, business, writing and translation, and video and photography. This is what I am looking for. Then here choose a template where you can start from scratch. Here you have to write your professional name, and after that you have to describe your services, how good you are at your services, and here provide as good information as you can. Here do mention your experience and also tell them if you have any certificates in the program you're offering. And here after writing that you have this feature photo option where you have to add images of your work. Here you can also find from the stock footage or you can upload from your file. So here for now I'm just uploading from their stock photos. Here now for price you have 2 options. You can set a fix or you can ask them to contact you for price, and after that you have to write your price. So here they are saying that price should be more than $100. So now you have to select the delivery time, and after that you have to choose the category you are offering your service in. And here you also have extra options like if you want to add 2 or more services, and here you can do that. And as well you can also write here what you want from your client, what should be your client needs. This is really a good thing they offer. Here you can write you want clear instructions and all the things here. Now just save and publish. Here you can see that they are publishing our services. Here you can see how our service will look once it published. Here you can see the service and you can see here the name, price, and all these things. Here you can also reorder your services once you have many more services here. So now let's move to product. Here in product you can also reorder again product, and you can add here products. Here you have to type of products, physical and digital. You can add anyone here, so I will teach you how you can do that. First you have to write here your product name. You can write here any ebook or t-shirt, whatever you want. Here you can write any blue t-shirt, whatever the name is, and then this is a physical product for sure, so I'm choosing physical. Here you have to write the description. You can add here maybe it's soft, comfortable, easy to wear, something like that. Now here you have to upload your product picture from your files. For now I'm just choosing from stock. Now here you can see the price and quantity options. Here you can also select that you have limited, available, and other things. So here price should be greater than 100, and then you have to write here the quantity you are selling. You can choose here if you are 12 or whatever the amount is. For small business holders, they also have this option called limited available quantity. You can also choose that. and here you can write your quantity. And now here you have two options for delivery. You can also choose here delivery or pickup. So here for delivery you can also set a fixed price, or you can quote after order, like you can see whether how many distance they are away, and you can customize the amount later on. Simply for pickup you can set a fixed price and you can quote after order. Here you have these options, and you can also write here instructions for your customers. So after that, just simply publish and save. Now here you can see both these products. Basically here one is digital and one is physical. This t-shirts are physical and this ebook is digital. Now I will show you how you can create one. Now here you can see that you have to write your name here, and then you have to choose here digital, and then you have to write a descriptions and photo. Here you will not gonna have any delivery or pickup options. You will gonna only have here assessed option where you can redirect buyer to a URL, or you can upload any file from your laptop. So here you can do that, and you can write here a price and you can save that. And yeah, now you can see both our products. That's how you can add products. And similarly you can move to socials. Here you can provide your social media links, your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter links. And in music you can also go for different categories. So if you are providing music services, designing services, you can provide a link according to your own services. Here you have store and you have other options as well. Here you can see all this and you can add here links. And now last one is designs, where you can design what represent you best. Basically it's how your profile will look. So here I have chosen one, and now you can see that this is saved. Here you can also go for colors and fonts if you want simple one. Here you can do that as well. So when you will click on my rocket ship, you can copy that as well. Here you can see that our profile will be open next to us. Here you can see our profile, and here your professional info will be here in the bottom, your name, you can see that. Now here if we scroll down, you can see here the services that you are providing. Here you can see the name of the service and the pricing. Then you can see the product you are selling. You can see the products here, both digital and e-commerce, and then you can see your profile as well. And here you have this option Raket me or send message. About the reviews about this Raket PH, whether it's worth it to use it or not. So here you can see this one review posted here. You can see that money is still pending, maybe they will eat it. Here you can see that this is posted on January 13, and here you can see that this is most up-to-date review. And now here you can also see in the chat GTP about the review, where you can see that they have also shown here that while many users appreciate the platform potential, some have shared concern regarding payment processing times and order reflections. You can face some issue in this thing, so always check before using the website. Other than that, Raket is the largest talent market, and you can earn a lot of money from this Raket app. And many people have earned a lot of money from this Raket app. And that was all about how you can use this Raket. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.